Good morning, dear students. This is Dr. Ratika, your course teacher. Welcome to our online platform SH Moodle. This year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are planning to start our classes via Moodle platform. This session is an introductory session for the course Marketing Management, which is for the third semester students of BCom Computer Application. This is 90 hours course, and let's have a look at the course outcomes. Course outcomes means at the end of the course, you will be able to understand the meaning and need of marketing in business or trade. You will be able to comprehend the elements of marketing mix and its strategies. You can able to understand the pricing policies in the industry and the pricing strategies used. You will be able to understand the changes in the marketing environment. So these are the course outcomes. And this course is divided into 5 modules, and the module 1 explains about the introduction to market and marketing, the marketing environment, the functions of marketing, the importance of marketing management, the marketing mix elements, that is the 4 P's of marketing mix elements, and the 4 C's, importance of market segmentation, market targeting, and market positioning. So these are explained in module 1. And module 2 describes about the product, importance of product, the product concept and the definition of the product, classification of products, product line and product mix, the steps involved in new product development, and the stages of product life cycle, product branding, packaging, and product labeling. And module 3 gives explanation about the pricing of products, the pricing objectives, the role of pricing in marketing strategy, the factors influencing pricing, the steps involved in the pricing decision, the pricing policies and strategies used, and the different types of pricing strategies used, the pricing of a new product, etc. So these are explained in module 3. And module 4 discuss about the physical distribution, the logistic and supply chain management and its elements, the channels of distribution, factors affecting channel decisions, functions of channels of distribution, retailing, types of retailing, direct marketing, its merits and demerits. So these are explained in module 4. And the last module explains about the promotion, the elements of promotion mix, the recent trends in marketing, relationship marketing, social marketing, online marketing, green marketing, telemarketing, viral marketing, etc. are explained in module 5. Now let's have a look at the how the sessions are planned. In this year, the sessions are planned via SH Moodle platform, and notes will be uploaded in the Moodle platform, including PPTs, PDF, and useful links will be provided. This semester we will be accepting online assignments, so you can submit assignments online and valuations will be done accordingly. And looking forward to have real classroom sessions at the earliest. Then next is regarding books for references. The best book for reference is the book Marketing Management by Philip Kotler. Different editions are available. 13th editions Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, or the 8th edition book, etc. And another book is the book by Douglas Hoffman and Michael R. Marketing Best Practices. So these are the books for references. So thank you. Stay connected and stay safe.